So these are the products that you want to stay away from if you're going to be dropshipping on Shopify. And the first set of products are going to be things like trademark, copyrights, and patents. And now, wherever you're getting your products from, whether it be AliExpress, you need to contact the supplier and ask them if they've got the resale license to do it. You also need to ask them if they've looked into the copyrights and the patents to make sure they're allowed to sell the product. The second set of products that I'd look to avoid are going to be digestible and skin applied products. So anything that they can drink or eat, or anything that's applied to the skin, because if they have an allergic reaction, it's going to be a massive case that you don't want to have. If you're going to be selling something like makeup products that are applied to the skin, then make sure you see if the product's got the ingredients clearly showed on the packaging and see if it's a certified product. So the third set of products that I'd stay away from are expensive, fragile products. So anything over $50 that you're buying for, and if it's made out of glass or anything that could break during courier and transit, then you want to stay away from it as a dropshipper because it could cause you a lot of refunds. So the fourth set of products that I'd stay away from are going to be large items like sofas, things that are that big. They're going to be extremely expensive to ship. Import taxes are going to be crazy.